Well, hello there. I'm Tanya, and I'm coming to you from Atlanta, Georgia. And I first want to thank Stu, the tribe team, and my fellow tribers for this awesome experience. For the first time, I have a course that's given me everything that I needed from beginning to end. And I did not have to purchase anything extra. And I even got a couple of bonuses along the way. How awesome is that? What tribe has given me the ability to move forward in my business? I keep hearing Stu in my head saying, keep moving forward. And that's what I've been doing. I've also narrowed down my niche. I get to serve empty nesters. And I've started my founding members with 2. And I'm excited about those 2 members because they get it. I've been learning so much from them, and they are giving me the ability to keep moving forward in my membership. So thank you for this tribe experience.